I remember when I was got to know about stock market, then I was excited to learn about it. And books are a wonderful sources to get the knowledge. And there is wonderful quote regarding the books, and the quote is that books is like a passport to all kind of knowledge, intelligence, and the wisdom. So please read books if you want to get knowledge. But still, we have to choose one particular book to get the knowledge. In my case, I have to choose one book to start learning about stock market. And luckily, I got a name. I got a book name. And the book name is The Intelligent Investor. And I bought this book, you can see here. And I started reading. After completing one or two chapters, I got knowledge about what is investing, what is inflation, and what is speculation. But when I just read the third chapter, I was not able to understand the chapter completely because of so many new terms. So many new terms come from finance background, like return on capital employed, what is dividend, what is a stock split, what is preferred stock, and what is inflation, what is bonds, especially bond. It is not the James Bond as you see in the movies. This bond is quite different. So I just keep that book aside and still looking for the one basic book to learn about stock market. And here basic book means books which can answer my basic question. Like, what is stock market? Why stock market exists? What is the need to start investing in stock market? How we can make money from stock market? And a lot of financial terms like what is ROC, it is return on capital employed, what is return on equity, what is dividend, what is stock split, what is price to earning ratio, and all the terms is useful for investing. So luckily I found one basic book and it is free and it is available in both Hindi and English. And this book is quite helpful for improving my investing journey, for improving my investment process. So that module is provided by Zerodha, and you can know that our country best or the largest discounted broker, Zerodha. So now come to my screen to see the how to get that module. Please continue this video and please hit the like button.
Now go to Google Chrome and enter the name, enter zerodha.com, zerodsa.com, and you can see here 3 dots or 3 lines. And go to the option from third left, and you can see here module section, and there is total 13 module. I think 13 module. Here you can see 13 module, and first module is all about introduction to stock market, then the technical analysis, then the fundamental analysis, then future option, and you can see there are a lot of modules like the markets and taxation, currency, commodity and government securities, risk management and trading psychology, so personal finance. So that is the module, and just go on each. Just when you click on the first module like introduction to stock market, when you click on that, then this module is divided into so many chapters. Like here it is divided into 15 chapters, and each chapter cover one particular topic. So you can deep dive into each and every topic in one particular chapter. And if you want to download for the further study, then you click on the option of PDF, download PDF. Then it is downloaded. Okay? And if you want to read in Hindi language, I just show here right now, then you can see the option of Hindi here. When you click on Hindi, then all the PDF is available in Hindi format and you can download in Hindi language. So if here you can learn in Hindi language, that is wonderful thing I found in that tool. And so my advice is that first complete 3 module like introduction to stock market, then the technical analysis, and then the fundamental analysis. Then it will become easy for you to understand any books. Like after that you can read any books like books like Intelligent Investors, and you can understand all the lessons after reading this. So please complete this module. Thank you for watching this. I'm signing out for a new video. Thank you.